In this lecture, we're going to quickly explore how we can pass on data with events. Let's say we wanted to pass along some data to our events. For example, a simple message to log into the console. Let's see how that would work. Let's go back to the template in the editor. Inside the directive, I'm going to pass on the following message: last name event triggered. Unfortunately, this will break our function. It's because we're expecting an event object inside the function. This is one point I want to highlight. If you don't pass on arguments to the function, Vue will pass the event object for you. Now that we're passing in our own arguments, we have to pass the event object manually. We'll pass it in as the second argument to the function. Vue will assign the event object a special name called $event. In our template, Vue will store the data related to the event in an object called $event. You must add the $ symbol because it's the name Vue will assign the event object to. The next step is to update the function in the application to handle the new arguments. Inside the update last name function, we're going to set the first parameter to message and the second parameter to event. Then, inside the function, we will log the message parameter. While we're at it, let's prevent the default behavior. It's normal to want to avoid the default behavior of an event to prevent unexpected behavior. We're dealing with a regular event object in our function. We can call the event.preventDefault method to prevent the default behavior. That'll do it. Refresh the page with the console opened. If we were to input some random gibberish, the last name will get updated. In the console, the message we passed into the function was logged. We can customize the behavior of our event handlers by passing in arguments. Vue will take care of calling the function for handling the event with the arguments you pass in. If we decide to add additional arguments, we will need to update our functions to accept the event object if we plan on using it. Vue will not do it automatically unless you don't provide arguments. We'll continue learning about events in the next lecture.